Welcome back to the channel. It's day 18 and we are back working in the shop. It's going to be another, hopefully, bigger day than yesterday. We had some company yesterday, that's why I didn't get as much done as I planned to. But anyways, we're going to finish assembling, cutting and assembling those table legs. And then we are also going to hopefully do a glue up on those, and yeah, just a whole bunch wood filler and sanding and get down a whole bunch of stuff hopefully. Here we go. Hey everyone, so that will be the end of this video. Day 18 is over now. We did get a bit done, not as much as I'd like, just because it is really cold out here. Like I can only work for like an hour, and then my hands are just freezing, and it's kind of too finicky work to wear gloves. Anyways, tomorrow is gonna be about 7 degrees warmer C, so, and it will be sunny, so my little solar heater will be working tomorrow as well, so that will be good, and we'll hopefully get done quite a bit more. I mean, the biggest place where we are backed up right now is the epoxy station. I just have only enough room for like 3 projects, and it just takes forever for that stuff to dry, right? So yeah, but hopefully we'll do a lot more tomorrow. So please subscribe, and thank you guys for 200 subscribers. That's awesome. So yeah, please subscribe and stay tuned for tomorrow. See ya.